The Wuhan coronavirus is now a global threat, and countries are taking very different approaches to containing it. The UK advising nationals to leave any part of China if they can, despite 80% of cases being confined to just one province. In London, an emergency COBRA meeting, officials concerned about increasing spread in China. While in Geneva, a call for calm cooperation and direct criticism of the UK strategy.
Considering China as if the problem is the same in all provinces could be wrong, and it's wrong. That blanket, approach may not help.
They warned without proper planning, Brits returning from China could actually make the outbreak worse, something I put to the Health Secretary.
Well, we have very clear advice for those returning from China that if they become ill, no matter how mild, then they should call 111 and go home and self-isolate. And that's very important.
Does it precede an announcement by the UK to close its borders to people from China?
Well, we haven't made that decision yet.
Are you going to?
We keep all these decisions under review.
But in a global outbreak, a government's job isn't just curbing the virus.
I don't think you can depart from WHO recommendations without explanation and expect to achieve the other objective, which governments should be doing, which is to avoid unnecessary alarm, but to ensure that people do take the appropriate precautions.
In China, as many as 1 in 5 people with coronavirus end up with severe illness, sometimes lasting weeks. What could that mean for the NHS?
The NHS can't cope with the winter it's dealing with at the moment, let alone with an outbreak of a new virus.
The NHS is well prepared. It's dealing well with the scale of the problems that we've got at the moment. For instance, we have 50 isolation beds of the very highest level, and then we have a further 500 which can be used for this virus.
It may not come to that, but the government must walk the fine line between keeping people safe and causing anxiety that could make a bad situation worse. Tom Clark, News at 10.